Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to archive your Outlook calendar. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to the calendar archiving features we'll be working with today. Once your email has loaded, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all your menus and tools are located. Look for the File tab and click on it. This tab is your gateway to important mailbox management features, including the archiving tools we need for this tutorial. After clicking File, your menu will open up. Now look at the right side of this File menu where you'll find the Mailbox Settings section. Here, you'll see a drop-down labeled Tools. Click on this Tools drop-down to reveal additional options. From the list that appears, select Clean Up Old Items. This is the key feature that allows you to archive specific parts of your Outlook data, including your calendar events. Once you click on Clean Up Old Items, an archive window will pop up on your screen. This window is really useful because it shows you a comprehensive list of all the files, folders, and subfolders you're currently using under your Microsoft Outlook account. You'll see everything here, including your calendars, contacts, emails, and other data folders. The great thing about this feature is that it gives you precise control over what you want to archive, rather than archiving everything at once. From this list, locate and click on Calendar. This selects your calendar data specifically for archiving. After you've selected Calendar, click on the OK button to proceed with archiving your calendar data. Outlook will now begin the archiving process, moving your older calendar entries into an archive file. This helps keep your main calendar view clean and organized while still preserving all your important historical data for future reference. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully archived your Outlook calendar, freeing up space and keeping your active calendar organized. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.